Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Nappy Gabby and thank you for clicking to watch this video. So in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to achieve an afro. Okay, in fact, drum roll please. Okay guys, so first of all, I know, right? My hair looks terrible. My hair has been like this for like 2 weeks now, so I'm just going to take this down. Going to use my latte comb and just like take this down. Okay. I'm actually thinking of leaving my hair like this, guys. It kind of looks like a chunky twist out. So I'm going to start from the back and I'm just going to put this section in a bun. It's raining, guys, so I don't know if you guys can hear me, but I'm going to try and speak a little louder. I'm going to start, and what you want to do is use an afro pick or an afro comb or a white tooth comb and just start detangling. You have to start from the roots, from the ends to the roots. And what you want to do is just flip. Oh! Look at that. Just detangle. Can you see that? I'm just going to move to the next section. This one is a little bit.
When it hurts like this, we climb the greatest heights, jump down and have a fight, and that's all we'll ever like. times, but I'd never say goodbye or ever leave this stuff behind. When it's good, it's amazing. When it's bad, it's uneasy. I wouldn't have it another way. There's no other way. Yeah. When it hurts like this, ever like, ever like, ever like, ever like, ever like.
So far, guys, I am absolutely loving my fro. Yo, look at how huge it is. And come on, guys, what is an afro without hoop earrings? All right, let me just put on my hoop earrings and I'll be right back. Okay, don't go no. So yes, guys, this is the finished look. Ooh, peep the highlight. Yes, by the way, this guy right here says hello. You guys, I am getting 90s vibes, y'all.
When it hurts like this.
So thank you guys very much for watching. If you did enjoy this video like I did, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Oh, and to my newest subscribers, welcome to the family. Okay, I'm just going to go now.